we're looking directly into the sun here, and that's why we're seeing the saturation here in the sky. You can still see some dust on the lens itself, but everything else looks pretty good. You can also see a ridge out here on the horizon. So we'll keep waiting and hope for the front Hazcam to come down. And just this is with the covers deployed. So the rear has successfully survived the pyro firing event.
So as we've just heard, the images have started to come down, and with me now is John Grotzinger, the project scientist for MSL. First image down, what do you think?
Well, it looks great to me. Beautiful sunset on Mars there, looking out the rear Hazcam at what probably is the crater rim, Gale crater rim. Yeah. And we should get the front Hazcam. We know it's the rear Hazcam because it's got the wheel in it there.
So is this a different exposure? Ah, okay.
So you can see there's flat plains with some gravel in there.
And so this is much better resolution, more pixels than the first set of thumbnails that we got at landing. And this is without the dust covers.
So I got the dust covers off, so you don't have any of that schmutz on it there. And and what you can see now are all the pebbles that are out in front there, next to the wheels, flat plane. It looks flat because these Hazcams, they have a type of lens that makes everything look a little bit more smoothed out, but it's obviously a flat place right in front of us there. And then looking towards the sun there, those hills in the background should be the crater rim. I'm just taking a guess right now.
Now, with the thumbnail, the front cameras, we saw a shadow, and could you actually see Mount Sharp in the distance?
Well, I think we're still waiting. I haven't seen one yet.
That's what we're hoping for, is to get one from the front.
Well, we should get front and rear, both with the dust covers off.
Well, definitely the resolution's much better.
Oh, very nice. And you can see, it's sort of the typical kind of a view that you get when you land on a Martian landscape many missions before, where you see these, what are probably windswept plains with lots of gravel, large chunks of rock there, and they're sort of glinting, so they've probably been polished by the wind and carved into facets.
So if this is the rear cameras, which direction is the rover pointing then? Is it pointing towards the mountain, or could you tell?
Well, we're waiting to see the front Hazcam to know that for sure. But yeah, we think so based on the images that came down with the dust covers on. It looked like we had a sense that the front Hazcam might have the rover oriented looking towards Mount Sharp.
Okay. Let's stand by and hear some